Good day po. I am Crystal Isabel Nase from BSN2A, and I will be discussing about the family of Rizal. So, we all know po, si Dr. Rizal Rizal ang ating national hero. In this topic, I will introduce some more information about him and also the background of his family. So, ang full name niya po is Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado y Alonso Realanda. He was born on June 19, 1861, died on December 30, 1896. So, si Dr. Rizal is Filipino nationalist, parliament active at the end of the Spanish colonial period, an ophthalmologist, key member of the Filipino propaganda movement, and an advocate for political reforms for colonial underrepresented. So, if nag-wonder po kayo, nasaan kaya nakuha yung name niya na ganito? So, ito po, yung Jose, it was given by his mother, si Doña Chodora. Si Doña Chodora po kasi is a devotee ng San Jose, Saint Joseph, which is the patron saint ng mga workers. Next po, yung Protasio is from a saint din, which is named Gervasio Protasio. And ano po, yung feast po niya is sinaselebrate every June 19. So, it was given by his father naman. The Rizal is, it has a meaning, which is, yung una po kasi is Rizal, which is Greenfield. And ito po yung apelido na napili ng father niya na gamitin since nagmamayari po sila before ng mga sakahan na pinaparentahan ng mga friars. Yung Mercado naman po means market. This was the surname na given ng kanyang great-great-grandfather na si Domingo Lamco. And also yung Alonso from his mother and the Realanda as well. Next po is yung parents ni Rizal. Starting off with his father, si Francisco Engracia Rizal Mercado y Alejandra II. So he was born on May 11, 1818 in Binian, Laguna, and died on January 5, 1898 at the age of 80 in Manila. So nag-aral po siya ng Latin and Philosophy in the College of San Jose sa Manila. And yung mother niya namatay, and then he moved back to Calamba to become a tenant farmer in a Dominican estate. So ito po, he was married kay Doña Chodora Alonso Realanda on June 28, 1848. Si Chodora Morales Alonso Realanda y Quintos, siya naman ang nanay ni Rizal. She was the second child of Lorenzo Alonso and Brigida de Quintos. So, she was born on November 8, 1826 in Manila and died on August 16, 1911 at the age of 85. So, nag-aral po siya sa girls' school ng College of Santa Rosa. She was a remarkable woman possessing refined culture, literary talent, business ability, and a fortitude of Spartan women. Si Chodora Morales Alonso Realanda y Quintos, siya po yung first tutor ni Rizal. Siya po yung primary teacher na nagtuturo sa kanya ng mga subjects such as botany, calculus, and some more. So, si Dr. Rosa Rizal, he described his father as a great model attributed to his honesty, frugality, productiveness, composure, and profound dignity. While yung mother naman niya is described niya as a woman of discipline, culture, literature, religion, and a good mother, a wife to them. So, yung parents niya po were both farmers, and nagliliz sila sa mga Dominican friars ng sakahan and yung ibang lupa. Yung Mercados and Alonsos, they belong to the Principalia or the noble class, noble family. And that is to say that they have enough land, money, yung mga properties such as stone houses, sari-sari stores, and other establishments. And ito po, yung horses, and they have their preferences in civic and in religious processions. Next po is yung siblings niya. So, yung first po na anak sa Rizal family is si Dr. Nina Rizal. She was the eldest child. Ang nickname niya is Neneng and was married to Manuel Timoteo Hidalgo of Tanawan, Batangas. Next naman po is si Pasiano Rizal. So, he is the only brother of Rizal kasi lahat sila is girl na. So, si Rizal and si Pasiano lang. So, siya po yung parang pangalawang tatay since mas older siya kay Rizal. He was the one na nagka-guide sa kanya back at the time. He studied at San Jose College in Manila. Naging farmer din siya and naging general of the Philippine Revolution. But he died because of tuberculosis. Next po is si Narcisa Rizal, the third child. She is also known as Sisa. Was married to Antonio Lopez at Morong Rizal and teacher, musician. Next po is Olympia Rizal, the fourth child. Was married to Silvestre Ubaldo. Sadly, she died in 1887 from childbirth. Next po is si Lucia Rizal, the fifth child. Lucia Rizal is married to Matriano Herbosa, but she was accused po at the time na siya raw po yung nangunguna na kinukonsinti niya yung citizens ng kapwa Pilipino na huwag magbayad ng rent sa mga lupa nila. And yun po, so napag-initan siya at the time ng mga friars. Next po is si Maria Rizal, the sixth child. Si Maria was married to Daniel Faustino Cruz of Binyan, Laguna. Next po is si Jose Rizal. So, si Dr. Jose Rizal, siya ang pangpito sa magkakapatid. He was executed by the firing squad by the Spanish colonial government for the crime of rebellion on December 30, 1896 at Bagumbayan, Manila. So, si Dr. Jose Rizal, marami siyang pinagdaanan at trials, nagpasok loob sa bansa, many countries na dun niya ginawa yung mga sinulat niya such as El Filibusterismo, the Nalimitang Here, Los Viajes, the Nationalistic Essay, which is the Amor Patrio, and the Revista del Madrid. So, marami po siyang napuntahan na places, and she also continued studying medicine sa London, and yun, yung contributions niya for the freedom that we have at the moment is very essential. Next po is si Concepcion Rizal, pang-8 sa magkakapatid. Is also called Concha by her siblings. Sadly, namatay siya at the age of 3. Si Concha, si Concepcion Rizal, ang greatest sorrow ni Rizal. Next po is si Josefa Rizal, pang-siyam sa magkakapatid, also called as Panggoy. Si Josefa, she joined the Katipunan and was elected as the women's president. Si Josefa ay epileptic and died as spinster at the age of 80. Next is si Trinidad Rizal, pang-sampu sa magkakapatid, also known as Chining. She also died as a spinster and the last of the family to die. She also joined Katipunan after the death of her brother. Next po is si Soledad Rizal, the youngest, also known as Choleng, and was married to Pantaleon Quintero. So, ito po yung family tree nila. Shows the order from the siblings, the father, and the mother. So, yan po si Rizal at the middle. Next po is ang ancestry nila. Si Dr. Jose Rizal had Chinese ancestor in his father's side, which is si Domingo Lamco, his great grandfather, and he was married to a Chinese mestiza named Inez de la Rosa. Aside po sa kanyang Chinese ancestry, meron din po siyang Japanese, Spanish, Negrito, and Malay blood. So, yung picture po is yung father po ni Doña Chedora. So, ito po si Lorenzo Alberto Alonso, who was a half Spaniard engineer and was prominent at the time. Ito nga po, yung merkado is given by Rizal's great-great-grandfather sa paternal side, which is si Domingo Lamco. So, binigyan po sila ng ganitong apelido. He chose this po na palitan yung apelido nila to save his family from Spanish persecution at the time. So, yun, it was changed. So, ang Catalog of Alphabetical Surnames o Catalogo Alfabetico de Apellidos, ito po ay book ng surnames of in Spanish East Indies, abolished in mid-19th century. It was created po after the Spanish Governor-General si Narciso Claveria y Zaldúa because he issued a decree noong November 21, 1849 to address the lack of a standard naming convention. So, dahil po dito, yun na nga po, nagkaroon ng pagpapalit sa mga apelyido nila. Gaya po ng Mercado and yung Rizal. So, mas ginamit yung Rizal. And also yung Mercado, even before this, yun po ang finalo po nila na binigay ng great-great-grandfather ni Rizal dahil nga po dito to save them sa Spanish persecution.